Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT on Windows, right? So as you know that ChatGPT is built by OpenAI and Microsoft, right? Microsoft have around 30% stake in OpenAI, so that's why in your Microsoft here you will able to see this option of Copilot, right? If I just click on bottom right side corner, this is my Copilot here, and Copilot is powered by ChatGPT 4, right? So this is, you can use it completely, and this is already installed in the latest version of your Microsoft, right? So you have to update it. So to do this you have to go to the settings here. So we will just open our settings, and here in the settings we will look for update, right, and Windows update setting. And once you're here, make sure you go and click on check for updates and update your laptop or PC right now. Then you will get this Copilot, and Copilot has access of ChatGPT 4, and this is exactly ChatGPT, right? But if you want to get deeper into this, you can also buy a Copilot Pro, that is a subscription based just like ChatGPT. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.